Malinis ba yung pagkakaligpit mo? Good. Basta siguraduhin mo yung media blackout na yan. Ayoko nang lumaki pa to. Kailangan natin para mabaon na to lahat.
Han?
Han, you're feeling better.
Yes, thank you so much for taking care of me. Sino yung kausap mo?
Just Bert, as usual.
Well, I think I'm gonna take the day off.
Gusto mo samahan kita? I can cancel my whole day.
No need. Go do your own thing. Magpapahinga lang ako dito sa bahay. And I think I just wanna be alone.
I agree. You have to take it easy and please huwag mo nang uulitin yung nangyari. Hindi ko kakayanin kung may masamang mangyari sa'yo.
Actually, I think I wanna stay home for quite some time.
What do you mean?
Remember when I told you that I just want you to be a husband? Nothing more, nothing less. I think this is the time na kailangan ko maging stay-at-home wife sa'yo. Nothing more, nothing less.
Sounds lovely.
Change starts now.
Nang namatay si Ate Helena, naghahanap ako ng masisisi. Kinumpile ko pa nga yung mga report tungkol sa kanya noon kasi gusto ko talagang malaman ng punot dulo ng biglaang pagkamatay ng ate ko. Kaya ako pumasok sa Verma Building. Nagbabaka sakali ako na baka doon ko mahanap yung sagot.